What's good, everybody? Welcome back. Today we didn't take a live trade, but we backtested 4 trades: New York session, London session, gold, and our forex pair GBPJPY. And as you can see, we got the nature around us. Pretty nice, pretty nice. I think there's a bird above me in that tree, and our neighbor is playing some music. The birdies are here. So let's get to the verse of the day. 2 Corinthians chapter 9 verse 8 says, "And God is able to bless you abundantly, so that in all things at all times, having all that you need, you will abound in every good work." Okay, so let's get straight into the 4 backtested trades that we took. Alright, so first let's go over gold's London trade. It was a loss, 2% loss. 4 hours bullish, 31 minute was bullish. I said it was a decent trade, but I made 2 crucial mistakes. First of all, I traded too early. I kind of knew that there was going to be a retracement to the downside. And second, I made our stop loss too tight. If it was below lows, I would have taken a W on this trade. We entered on a 5-minute break of structure and an inverse fair value gap. So this was the main reason we lost the trade, because of the stop loss. Anyways, let's look at the trade here on this chart. London session here. As you can see, if I put my stop loss below here, or even below these lows, we would have hit like take profit 1, possibly up here, maybe 2, probably not. Second trade was a small win. New York session on gold. We longed. I said the 4 hour was beautifully bullish, and the 30-minute was a bully as well. 1% win only. I said this was a good trade. It came close to our stop loss after we entered, testing my nerves. Then it hit take profit 1, and then stop loss at break even. We entered on a 5-minute break of structure and a fair value gap. I was quite confident of my bias on this trade. And here's the trade. As you can see, we just sniped a little move up here, then I don't know, it decided to mess around the rest of the session. The next 2 trades we took were losses, unfortunately. So the London session on GBPJPY, we took a small loss, 0.4%. I said the 4 hour was bullish, the 30-minute was bullish, and we shorted. I said not the best trade, kind of went against our bias, looking for a retracement, but we did close trade before New York session opened, which saved us a lot more loss. We entered on a 5-minute break of structure and an inverse fair value gap. Also, the fair value gap that was inversed formed before London session, so it wasn't the best 5-minute entry confirmation. And here's the trade on the charts. Highs up here, lows down here, highs interacted with, so we short. We shorted on this candle here. And our final loss of the day, final trade of the day, was the New York session of GBPJPY, a 2% loss. 4 hour was bullish, but it was at the high of a bullish extension, I think, or at a strong resistance level or something. The 30-minute I said was bullish, we longed. I said not a good trade. We traded at the top of a 4 hour high or at a strong resistance level on the 4 hour. We should have checked it. We should have checked it and seen. Entered on a 5-minute break of structure and a fair value gap. So here was the trade we took. I tried to show you because this is on the 30-minute. Still pretty bullish chart, I'm not gonna lie. Just a bit bad that we entered off of this extension and not on a pullback, you know. So anyways, thanks for watching, and I forgot to show you what happened on a live trade. So we never took a live trade because why is it on the monthly? Oh, there we go, somewhere here. Come on. No ways. Why is it so small? Okay. So as you can see, these were the Asian. Wait a minute. Yeah. These were the Asian highs, these were the lows. So looking to long, we never got a break and retest, so we never longed. I wonder if we could have got something on here. I don't think we would have won either in the New York session unless we were looking for shorts based off of the 4-hour structure. Anyways, thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Let's enjoy the view for 1 second real quick. Look how laggy this camera is, bro. But of course the best view is right here, so that's all you need to be looking at. Thank you all for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next episode. Goodbye.